What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you today. We're working with a Hasegawa 1/24th scale. One of the Kubelwagens. I've already done an unboxing and a build for this kit, so this will be kind of quick. I don't know. I built up another one. I'll put up some pictures here, as well as I'll put a link to that actual build in the description at the end of this video. It was just such a nice kit. I was really so impressed with it. So much great detail that I went ahead and got another one. This one has a different iteration. It's got a figurine there, and whatever, that'll probably just live on the desk with all the rest of them. That'll probably never get painted. But it's also got, for desert warfare, it's got the balloon tires, which is pretty cool. And I also, as I was building it up, I was just so impressed with the detail. I thought, you know what, this would be really cool to take and make a dune monster out of it, you know, put a hot rod motor in it. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this thing open and show you what the subtle differences are. Just a really quick. I'm not gonna even. I mean, I guess I gotta open the bag. What the heck? Right away, the first thing that pops off is these decals for the Wild Egg Girls. I don't know, Claire Frost figure. I'm not sure what these are or what they're. I'm not even going to look. I do know that it is kind of there's a trend in other places where they'll put anime characters on their cars. So whatever. Great instructions. Great instruction manuals. It's a good looking decal sheet. I mean, I'll probably use those on one of my other one of the tuner builds that I want to do. So I've got several of. And then the other main differences are as the box showed, obviously the figurine. To get her out here, little tiny, teeny, sort of not very humanistic, sort of a cherub anime looking face. So whatever, she'll probably go up there with somebody else, which is cool, you know. So now it's not a total sausage fest. There's two female figurines up there. But one of the other reasons was this. Come on, soft rubber. A high flotation tire. Those are really cool. Pretty stoked about those. And then one of the other differences that I saw when I was looking through it. Yeah, what the heck. The other figure that comes with the kit is a little different. So again, I'm not going to go through any of the other stuff. The parts, they're identical. I could see just by peeking through. Really good details on them. Again, I'll link to that video in the description. The other difference is the driver there has a pith helmet, and he's wearing shorts and a short sleeve shirt, or a shirt rolled up. And it looks like also maybe I'm not sure what you call that type of hat, but you know, it looks like the burger guy. The burger punk. That looked like spit. He spit in his burger. So that's kind of cool. And then again, you know, if you're into guns and stuff, this kit has got extras. It's got the big machine gun, the rifle, the sub, the grenade launcher. It's pretty cool. It built up really nice, great detail. Really impressed. So that about does it. Thanks for watching. If you have the means and you come across one, I would highly recommend you go get one. See you in the next one.